Shut the fuck up, Tesla. Shut the fuck up.
Whoever did it, one of you guys. So this one says sign lobby. The sign lobby one works. Okay. Well, the sign lobby one works, but they disconnected this thermostat. But if you're the one who did it, whoever, I don't know if this is the right word, disconnected this thermostat or disconnected it on the roof or whatever.
That one's live and that one is. Just that one's dead. Hey, so we're back here. It's been a week or something like that. Much has happened. Duke Nukem's been back to find out that everything was running except that one that wasn't. Come over here to this unit and yeah, it's working like a champ. And then I come over and I check on this unit right here. And, well, it's got a really high heat load on it, but it's working. And now we come over here to this unit right here. This is side lobby. Doesn't seem like this condenser fan is running. Both the compressors are running on it though. So it's missing a condenser fan. That's a condenser fan capacitor. I don't know. Anyway, and this is the unit with the dead compressors. The one with two bad compressors, and it's just pulling in hot air, so we got it turned off. See? Well, they're completely convinced this unit isn't this unit, but rather that unit over there. So they demand that we turn it back on so that the place will start cooling again. See, here's our thermostat wires, and you know, if there's no power between these two right here, then that thermostat's blank down there, and we can't be having that. Here's the transformer. All these wires are 480 colors. It's really weird that they would be, because this ain't 480. This thing's 230. So there's two brown wires on the transformer. One of them goes down here, it looks like it hooks to the contactors, and the other one goes up here and it looks like it connects to the board. So if I pull off one of them and leave the other, then half of the stuff in the unit will work, right? So I'll just leave it like that. I don't think I see any life on this board. I think I'm supposed to be seeing life on it. Maybe that idea is not going to work. It's running the combustion blower right now. It's trying to heat. Nah, this is all so stupid. It's ridiculous. All I need is power going down to the thermostat. That's it. Nothing else. The whole reason I have this turned off in the first place is to stop it from pulling hot air into the lobby. I don't want that. They're upset that their thermostat is not on. They're not on. That'll stop it from pulling hot air into the lobby too. So fuck it. Just let them run the blower motor. Let that sketchy shit be like that. Whatever, man. Because now, bitch face is gonna be happy. I mean, she's not really, but you know, she'll see her stupid little compressor on, and she'll even feel like she was right, since, you know, it wasn't working, and then I got here, and now it's working. Whatever. Fuck this, man. It's ridiculous. So what about this thing? This old piece of shit's got one condenser fan. Is it hurting anything? work on it that much. That'll work. That's good enough. As for the rest of this trash, well, this thermostat's no longer blank. I don't remember which one's which. So if I turn this one down to 69, and then just take this thermostat off the wall, which unit's gonna stop? Not this one. This is the one I thought was on the top thermostat that whole time. It's not this one. This one's still running. And it's not this one? What's going on here, man? It says right there, this one's getting called for cooling. It says it's getting a call for cooling. That's pretty confusing, man. It's off. It just shut off while I was looking at it.
Alright. You too, thanks.
That one's off. It's the side lobby. The bottom thermostat's the side lobby. It's a small back unit. The second one down is a small back unit. This is a train unit, and you look here and look at these pipes. The smaller of the two units is the first one the air goes through. And then it goes through the bigger one. We seem to be underfeeding on the little circuit, so I'm just gonna, you know, accidentally remove the sensing bulb of the TXV from the suction. There we go. That's better. That'll feed a lot more refrigerant. Look at that, it's already a lot cooler coming back. It's gonna give this thing a little bit of a boost. Sweat. A little bit of sweat. Train. Hard to stop a train. Even harder to get one to go full speed. This one here is running its condenser fan. It's running its evaporator fan motor. It's not pulling hot air into the building. Thermostat for this is set to 99, but it's running. You saw it was off when that thermostat was off. It's obviously powering that thermostat. The sound of that threw me off. Got this damper right here that's like halfway closed. Restricting airflow, man. Man, that's some horse shit, dude. Fuck that. You kidding? What are we supposed to do with that? That's annoying as hell. I can't even reach that thing over there on the other side to try to do something about that. It's as far open as it gets. That's bullshit, dude. Fuck this. Super uncool, man. Super uncool. Where the fuck does that even go to, man? Train sucks. Well, this is still set to 99. I got no idea why it's running that back unit that it's clearly connected to. It's a side lobby right there. That says grill. Wow. So, I'll just let that be set to 99.